Uploading and sharing video in Panopto. To upload a video in Panopto, go to the green Create button and go down to Upload Media. It will bring up a screen which will allow you to go in and select the video you would like to upload to your library. Select it and hit OK. After it uploads, it will process. And after it processes, it will publish. You now have an uploaded video in your Panopto library. To share the video, go to the right of the description and click on Share. You'll have a search field where you can type in a name, and as it comes up, you can select it. After you've selected the name, click the green Send button.